you some. Can you tell everybody where you're at today? We're at the Polar Express train ride. Where are you going on the train ride?
North Pole.
Yeah. Yep. Why are you acting like the Grinch? You got that fake smile now. Let me see that smile. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, he's better now. Hold back them tears. Don't cry. You got this. Fix your attitude. Come on. You good? Look at him. He's smiling now.
He better. I know he's smiling. I said, we'll take you to that truck real quick.
Down to the Barber Junction.
So guys, guess what? We are at the Polar Express in Spencer, North Carolina. Brock is in trouble, so Daddy is talking to Brock in the car. So we're in the line waiting to board the train.
We still have 3. Good.
He's excited. It's like 50 degrees out here, and we are on the 7:45 train ride.
Would you come perfect?
It is a lot of people with a lot of pajamas, right?
What you have to do?
Pajamas.
Look out at the audience.
There's a lot of people that go.
It is a lot of people.
Hey, audience, say hey back.
Are there any other boys and girls out there who would like to go to the North Pole? I thought so. All aboard the Polar Express. Step lively, folks. I've got a schedule to keep.
It's high in the air, everyone. Looks like about 10.
And that's pretty good. Question 2. How many of you have or are going to write a letter to Santa?
Hand up.
Yay! Looks like we got it. Say we got it. Hot chocolate. Oh, we got it. I did. Hot, yeah, we got it. Hot chocolate. Here we only got one rule. Never, ever let it cool. Keep it cooking and hot since you got hot chocolate.
You got more hot chocolate? Is it good?
Hot chocolate.
You want cookies? Brock, you want cookies? Cookies? Say thank you. Brody dropped mine too. Brody dropped my hot chocolate.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go, buddy. She got it, baby.
I got it. Do you just want one done?
See, she's doing your ticket.
It's a B-Day. I'm a ticket.
Look at that. What letter is that?
A B.
A B for Brody.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Give her a high five. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Red-nosed reindeer
Reindeer.
had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Hello there, everyone. Sorry to interrupt your beautiful singing, but I need just 1 minute of your time. For those of you who don't know me, which is most of you, I am the proud owner of this train. Oh, you did do that. You got all your tickets? Good, good.
Yeah.
It's not a long time ago.
Where we at?
It's
Not at all.
a long time ago. Alright, everyone, who's excited North Pole.
Are you excited? Look at that popcorn.
I've seen the reindeer. Anything with you unless you want to. However, I think it's cold.
It's gonna be cold.
No, they warmed it up a little bit.
They warmed it up because they knew you were coming, okay?
Melt all the snow.
Bro, you ready? Bro, you don't know what's going on.
I need you guys to say Mary. And from here over, I need you guys to say ready?
Hold it.
But I am glad you're back on the Polar Express because I have a gift for each and every one of you. Sit back, relax, and I'm coming your way. Merry Christmas.
You remember the bell? He got a bell for you.
You have a bell for
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas to you. The bells are just going everywhere. Merry Christmas. Hi there, how are you?
Hey, go sit by Daddy real quick so I can get a picture. Look this way, Daddy. It drops you off right at Candyland. Oh, there are my boys. So drops you off right at Candyland for the kids to come and see the lights. There's a lot of areas for you to take pictures after you get off the train. Daddy, can you take a picture for me? Look at this handsome little one right here. Look at Brody hiding. Are you hiding, Brody? Alright, I'll tell you guys about the trip in a second. Everybody wants a picture, so I'll be back. Okay, before I was rudely interrupted, but so the train ride seemed to be awesome. Seems like the kids enjoyed it. I think it was worth the money. Like I mentioned, it's like between $28 to $50 or $60, just depending on where you want to sit. I think if you just sit in regular seats, you're fine because you get the hot chocolate, you get the cookies. If you want to pay for extra stuff like a hat and a a book. You could buy the book. There's just so many things you could buy from the merchandise store, and you could get it pre-signed. You could take pictures with Santa if you want to. There's just a lot for you to do. So I think it's good for the kids. It's good for them to read the book first, though, of course, so they know what's going on, and come out here. Brody was so excited. Did you guys see Brody? Brock's a little young, so he was like, I don't know what's going on, but Brody was happy. Brock, are you having fun? Huh? Yes. Okay. This is the last one. The kids are enjoying taking pictures, guys. I hope you guys have fun on the Polar Express ride with us. We enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Now we got an 1.5 hour drive. That's about how long it's going to take us to get home. Merry Christmas, guys. Raise your hand if you had a fun time. Woo! Brock, you raised your hand. The Grinch raised his hand. You had fun.
Go that way, buddy. We parked over here.
That's it. Yourself. A merry little Christmas.
Coming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with